Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung enerhiya o mensahe na ating mababasa sa pagbasa na ito. We have the Five of Wands, Justice, the Emperor, the Four of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Three of Swords. Okay, Virgo. Meron kang pinagdadaanan ngayon na medyo may kaguluhan. Okay, nagdadala ng kaguluhan sa buhay mo. Okay, conflict, no? In other words, merong kaguluhan o sabihin natin na hindi pag-iintindihan sa relationship mo. It could be with your husband or with your person o yung partner mo. Kasi we have here the Justice card. And I think it has something to do with more of kasi yung pagiging, yung status mo, no, in your life. Kasi itong Emperor, of course, this is somebody na older, wiser, more established, a boss, may katungkulan, no, definitely, may sinasabi, nagpapatupad ng mga pulisiya. So somebody that's really a leader, no? And it is bringing in a way parang gulo, conflict sa inyo. Maybe Virgo, you are on the upper hand, no? Mas mataas ka compare mo dun sa husband mo or dun sa person mo. In other words, you're earning more or you have a much better career or position. And dumating siguro yung time sa'yo na you wanted to take a rest, no? You wanted to have this feeling of parang just to take it easy and slow down for a while. Kasi being somebody of high position, syempre busy all the time, trying to, cope with the responsibilities that was given to you by your boss or your management or the company itself. Nakakapagod yun, of course. And there are times when you feel like, I just want to take a rest, go to sleep. Huwag masyadong mag-isip. But you keep holding on. Of course, dito sa ginagawa mo. For practical reasons and for, of course, reasons na for the money, no? Para sa kabuhayan, sa pera. Maybe because in the past, nasaktan ka na eh. You felt disappointed or may frustration na nararasan mo. It could be with your husband or person or with your work. It could be anything. heartache. And it became a burden. Naging pabigat sa'yo to. Okay? And dahil naging burden na, things are not clear to you with the moon. This is an energy coming from a Pisces. Hindi siya clear. Marami kang tanong, as if you are so afraid to go to the unknown kasi this is something na hindi mo alam. And with the Three of Cups, you don't know kung ano ba to. You just keep trying to avoid kung ano man itong frustrations na to o naging burden na to sa nangyayari sa'yo. And you camouflage everything by going out with your friends, having a drink. Kaya kung ba parang kasi nga hindi ka sure so parang kinakalimutan mo lang muna, not minding it and getting your mind parang focus on other things. Kaya nga you prefer not to go with your friends or co-workers and just chill out once in a while. Sabi ko nga, have a drink para hindi masyadong kang mag-alala. Now, let us see kung ano pa. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the Fool. Again, bottom is the Three of Swords. Meron ka talagang heartache na pinagdadaanan. It's the same card. I shuffled it. Nakita mo naman, shuffle ko. It's still the same. No? Yung pa rin na nasa ilalim. Maybe you're dealing with somebody na talagang na broken heart ka before. And naging burden na to. Somebody na hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari. So, it is parang putting you on a third-party situation kasi there's the Three of Cups. Kaya kung ba parang yun yung nangyayari. Kaya may conflict. It has something to do with you. This is the Queen of Pentacles, which is an earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Conflict is starting with you. Ikaw, isa sarili mo. There seem to be some questions, na nahihirapan ka to give a concrete answer. Okay? So, and it is affecting yung relationship mo with your husband or with your person, kung hindi ka pa married. And you're getting tired about this, yung conflict na to na nangyayari. Conflict, misunderstanding, things na hindi niya ma-resolve. And sabi ko nga, yung Emperor kasi dito is somebody na talagang of a higher position in life. It could be you, Virgo. The thing is, with the Seven of Swords, there might be some things that has been hidden away, parang tinago mo o hindi mo pinapaalam. sa person mo. Kaya isa yon sa mga nagdudulot ng kaguluhan o misunderstanding. Dahil sa pagtatago o paglilihim mong ito, you are being parang asked nga na ano nang gagawin? What is it for me? What should I do? Basically, what should I do? I cannot decide. With the 7 of Cups, I cannot decide. Hindi ako makadecide. I don't know what to do. It is getting more confusing kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. But to keep holding to this relationship. Maybe the fact na because if you are married, syempre, hindi naman ganun kadali, no? Lalo na pagdating dito sa Pilipinas, hindi naman basta-basta magpa-file lang tayo ng annulment, dahil wala naman tayong divorce in the first place, no? Hindi katulad ng ibang bansa, but that's why it is getting difficult. So, parang nakamulatan na natin na you hold on to this relationship, to your husband or to your wife. Kahit na hirap ka sa relationship o kahit hindi ka na happy. Maybe for other reasons na because of your children or your child or for the heck na financial reasons, no? Because this is 4 Pentacles. Kasi baka kulang pa yung pera mo o hindi mo kaya pag wala yung kapartner mo financially. So, yun eh. Yun yung mga bagay na nag-i-stop sa'yo to make that decision. And be a fool, no? With the energy of, this is coming from an Aries, na just to go ahead and take that risk. Whatever it is, kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, hindi mo magawa. There is something that is stopping you to pursue whatever you want. Parang you feel that you are in a cage. Hindi ka basta-basta makalabas. Though you might have some plans of what to do, pero kasi nga, with the 3 of Swords, parang, alam mo yung hirap na hirap ka na. Nahihirapan ka na. So burdensome. Hindi mo na kasi maintindihan kung anong gagawin. You don't even know what's gonna happen pag pursue mo to. If there was a third party situation, you don't know kung anong magiging outcome. Definitely may masasaktan. Somebody will not agree na maghiwalay na lang basta. Paano kung wala na dun yung pagmamahal mo dun sa isa? Nalipat dun sa isa. Dun sa kabila. Sabi nga nila. So I think you are really facing a conflict, a problem, a situation na it is really getting to be a burden for you. And it's causing you heartache, Virgo. Kasi sa ngayon, you cannot make that decision. No, you cannot make that decision. You wanted to take that risk, to have that leap of faith, pero there is something that is stopping you or holding back, or you keep holding to this relationship na hindi mo basta let go. Okay? If you are the one, Virgo, if you're resonating with this reading, yung advice sa'yo, ng universe, self-esteem, I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. So it has something to do sa iyong sarili. Okay? So maybe to do one more. And courage. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. Okay. So you need to have that courage, Virgo. Whatever decision that you make, okay? Whatever decision you make, have the courage to face it. No? Lakasan mo loob mo. Tapangan mo yung damdamin. You know what to do. You're a Virgo. But there are things na talagang binibigyan mo lang ng konsiderasyon. Which is hindi masama. Okay? Lalo na kung may mga ibang taong involved. But you also need to do what you're supposed to do to have that peace of mind. Para alam mo rin, no? This is more for ma-unload yung burden. Okay, Virgo? I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa nito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.